Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive lighting to help you find the best LED headlights for your car. Illuminate the road ahead and enhance your driving experience with our top recommendations. Let's get started. Number 1. Headlight LED headlights have transformed my driving experience. These sleek and powerful headlights not only give my car a futuristic look but also provide unmatched visibility on the road. The easy installation made the upgrade a breeze, and the difference was immediately noticeable. With Headlight, I can confidently navigate dark, winding roads, and I love how they effortlessly cut through fog and rain. Plus, their energy-efficient design is a win for both my wallet and the environment. If you want to elevate your nighttime driving game, Headlight LED headlights are an absolute game-changer. Number 2. Torch Beam's LED headlights redefine the way you see the road. These bad boys are an absolute game-changer for your car. The moment you flip the switch, you're catapulted into a world of crystal-clear brightness that slices through the darkness like a lightsaber. With their sleek design, they don't just light up the road, they elevate your car's style quotient. Installation? A breeze. Say goodbye to those old, dim halogens because Torch Beam LEDs are here to make night drives a thrilling adventure. Safety, style, and sheer brilliance, that's what Torch Beam delivers. Trust me, your car deserves this upgrade. Number 3. Fahren LED headlights, the ultimate upgrade for your car's lighting. Flashlight Gemstone revamp your ride with these brilliant headlights that not only shine brighter but also last longer. Fahren LED headlights are a game-changer, casting a powerful, crisp beam that cuts through darkness like a lightsaber. Glowing Star. Installation is a breeze, thanks to their plug-and-play design, making you the DIY champ. Plus, with their impressive lifespan, you won't have to worry about replacements for a long time. Say goodbye to dim, dated headlights and embrace the future of automotive illumination. Upgrade to Fahren LEDs and light up the road ahead with style and confidence. Number 4. Hikari Wings LED headlights, a game-changer for your car's illumination. These headlights aren't just lights, they're a dazzling upgrade that turns night into day. Hikari's innovation shines through with unmatched brightness, providing a clear, crisp view of the road ahead. Installation is a breeze, and the durability is next level. With a sleek design that complements any car, your ride will look cooler than ever. Whether you're cruising city streets or tackling off-road adventures, Hikari Wings LED headlights deliver the ultimate driving experience. Say goodbye to dim, lackluster beams and embrace the brilliance of Hikari Wings. Number 5. Oxito LED headlights redefine nighttime driving. These bad boys are a game-changer for your car. Light bulb with a brilliant beam pattern, they slice through the darkness like a lightsaber. Installation? A breeze. No Jedi skills needed. Dizzy. Say goodbye to those dim, yellowish stock bulbs. Oxito LEDs are brighter than a supernova, ensuring you own the road. Automobile Collision Plus, they're built to last, so you won't be left in the dark anytime soon. But the real magic? The price won't break the bank. These LEDs are your wallet's best friend. Upgrade your car's style and safety today with Oxito LED headlights, a true force to be reckoned with. In conclusion, when it comes to upgrading your car's headlights, the options are vast, but we've highlighted some of the best LED headlights available. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped you make an informed decision to enhance both safety and style on the road.